Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be talking to you guys about the latest Plants vs. Brainrot fusion. So basically the latest one is the Questionino and some like Exclamino or something like that. I'm just going to get this out. So this is what the question mark looks like. Place it here and you're going to place the Exclamino here. Then you're going to fuse that. I will be right back once it's done fusing. Also, now you can fuse the, I forgot what it's called, the party W and the party L. When the update first came out, it didn't work, so now it does work if you want to fuse them together. Again, I will be right back when it's done fusing. And this is what the Brainrot will look like once it's done fusing. It's called the Questionino. That's what it looks like, super cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.